How are you, student? Are you well? I hope and I bless you will also good. You will also very well with your health, with your study, and with all the members of family. My sons and daughters, as you know, during the board examination, all of the students are face very difficult to solve to take the solution in quick way. For that purpose, I am going to also give you some information and some things that every student can solve the problems in a short way or in a short way, because most probably a student are very fear how I can solve so big number, how I can solve so big multiplication or division. So in this, for that purpose, I am going to also give you some knowledge so that you can solve it easily. First of all, suppose every student, in the case of height and distance, in the case of other way, under root. So here is suppose root 270 is also here is number. So in a quick way or in the quick way, how you can find this one? So here is also you can find very easy way. Suppose here 16 into 16, you know that 256. And here I have given you under root 270. So 56 you have given here. So therefore you can write here 270 and 256. How number? 270 minus 256 is equal to 10 minus 6 is equal to 4, or 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. Yani 14. 14, you have got the difference 270 and 256. Only the difference is 14. It means less than 0.5. So less than 0.5. Here is also only 14. Then you have to also write an approx. You have to take here 114 you have got. Then you can write 114 to 14 0. 1400 you can write, 14,000 you can write. It means under as this one. But here only 0. Less than 0.5. It means the next value will be less than 0.5. Next value will be only 0.5. But here is also 16. 16 how much you can say here? So 16 yani 17. One more 17. So 17 how many times? This one also. Here is 1 digit and 2 digit, and here will be 3 digit. 17 and 140, it means 3 digit. So 17 5 ja 85, 17 6 ja 101, 17 7 ja 119. You can take here. So also you can write here, take the number 1 1. 1 is here, 1 is here. Then you can take only 1, you can increase, means 2. Then you can write here yani 16 point approx 2. This one. In easy way, you need not to also find, and you can find the square root by division method, by this method, by this, that is not sufficient. So like this way, you can also solve all of the problems in very way, in easy or in quick action. Next one. Next one is also solution. Suppose you are also given 2, 3.468 and also 1.89. Then first of all you count the number after the decimal. There is 3 digit, and here is also 2 digit. So how many digits is less here? 1 digit is less here. Therefore you can remove this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or by 1, 8, 9, 1, 0. Why? Because here is after decimal 3 digit, here is after decimal only 2 digit. It means 1 digit is less. So only 1 0 you can put. Another way, suppose here is also 23.45 and here will be 1.456. Here after decimal 3 digit, and here after decimal only 2 digit. So you can convert this one 2, 3, 4, 5, 0 by 1, 4, 5, 6. Like so on. First of all, you can convert this one. After that you can divide one. So division also can be in easy way. 2, 3, 4, 5, 0 divided by how many times? 1, 4, 5, 6. Then here you can take 14 and here is 23. It means only one time. 14 2 is 28. 14 2 is 28 or 14 1 is 14. Only one time you can take. So 14, 56. You can take here 15 minus 6, 9. 13 minus 8, 5, 8. Or 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. Here is also 0. Now 88. So 14 or 88 divided by 14. So 14, 4, 15, 14, 5 is 70. 14, 6 is 6 times. So 14, 2 digit. Or here 88. So 14, 6 is 84. So 8 times, 14, 6 times. So 6, 6 is 36. 6, 5 is 30 or 3, 33. 6, 4 is 24, 27. Or 6, 6 to 8. It means 10 minus 6, 4. Or 8, 3, 5. 8, 7, 1. Cancel. Then you can take here point. Here is also how much? 14. And here is 15. It means only one time. So then you can take here one time. 1 time 14, 56. Then 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. Or 13, 5, 8. Or 4, 0, 0. It means 84 you can take here. And here is also 16.1. So approx you can write here 16.2. Only 1 point in the case of the answer you can increase only 1 digit. Understand clear मेरे बच्चों? क्योंकि next one. Suppose directly in some way directly going to suppose 256 or 256 you have to find the square root. So you most probably a student begin to also write and write and write, but on the basis of the your odd number 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus how much? 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 plus 11 plus 12 plus 13, 14, 15, this one. So this one you can weigh also. First of all you can write here how many times come, how many times you write so that you can take 56. 3, 1, 4, 5, 9, 9, 9, 7, 16, 25, 25, and 37, 37, 30, 50, 50, 50, 65, 65, or 17, 16, 5, 17, 56, 3, 1, 4, 4, 5, 9, 9, 7, 16, 16 or 9, 25, 25, 11, 36, 36 or 36, 49, 49, 64, 64 or 17. You can get here 81, 81, 81 or 90, 100, 100, 121, 121 or 23, 144, 144 or 25, 169, 169 or this one 27, 196, 196 or 29. How you can get 225 or 25 plus 31 is equal to 256. So this way it means how many times you have written your odd number. So you have written 16 times chosen your number. Therefore the square root is equal to 16. This way you can find in easy way without division or without prime factorization. You can find the square root of any type of the number. So you can write only this one, or after that, first of all, you add this one, right? Add this one, you can get also. So this is your find without division or without prime factorization method. You can find the square root of any number by this applying this method, applying this your process. Now suppose division or you can also arrange 1 7 6 8 4 or point divided by 1 0 0 0. In this way, most probably students are not able to solve this problem, but what is the problem and how the problem can be solved. So suppose here 1 2 3 4 zeros, so you can write here 17.684, or then you can count 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, a point will be here. Like this method you can write the answer. So this is accurate process. Suppose or more than, suppose here 334 by 1 0 0 0, and here is 3.4. So first of all you can write here 34, and then 1 2 3 4 5. From here you can point it here. So from here you can count 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. It means point will be here. So this way you can easy way and quick solution you can find, and you can also get the answer in the sums, and you can solve the all of the sums in easy way. So this is some things I am, because you have to face a great problem during the time of the examination hall. So you have no time, or you have also solved all of the question paper 29 or 30 questions also will be given by the board and by the council. इतना क्वेश्चन को हम लोग सोल्व करना है 3 घंटे में सोल्व करना होता है बेटा, तो उसमें हम लोग क्या करना पड़ेगा, थोड़ा सा हम लोग को अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा। ये जो हम तो बता रहे नहीं थे, क्योंकि हमको भी कोर्स करना है, लेकिन फिर भी थोड़ा सा टिप्स आपको इसी प्रकार से आपको केमिस्ट्री में होता है। केमिस्ट्री में अधिकांश जो पढ़ाते हैं बच्चों को, अधिकांश बच्चे ये करते हैं कि सर हमको इक्वेशन बैलेंस नहीं करने आता है, हमको इक्वेशन लिखने ही आता है, क्या क्या लिखाएगा, कैसे लिखाएगा। आप जैसे मान दिया हुआ है आपको ये COH का होल 2 + H2SO4, उसके बाद क्या होगा, तो इसके लिए बिल्कुल सरल उपाय बताएंगे आपको हम, 2-4-5 ग्रुप बताएंगे। उसके बाद आपको इक्वेशन भी आपको कंप्लीट करने के लिए और बिल्कुल आप बैलेंस करने के लिए सिखा देंगे आपको अगले क्लास में। आज तो पॉसिबल नहीं है, लेकिन आपको कैसे अगर दिया हुआ है MgOH का होल 2 + H2SO4, MgOH का होल 2 + HNO3, तो कैसे इसको सॉल्व करेंगे बेटा, वो हम कल बता देंगे आप लोग को आराम से, क्योंकि एक एक करके थोड़ा सा ये सब क्या है हल्का बता रहे, ताकि आप लोग को दिक्कत ना हो एग्जामिनेशन में, क्योंकि ये हमको बहुत अच्छा लगता है। हाँ, एक बात और बता दें बच्चों कि आप लोग को जो पढ़ा रहा हूँ, आप लोग समझ रहे या नहीं समझ रहे हैं, या आप लोग को समझ में आ रही है बात हमारी कि नहीं समझ में आ रही है, ये हमको थोड़ा सा चिंता लग जाता है। हाँ, थोड़ा सा आप लोग को है ना, ये अगर बढ़ जाता है, आप लोग देखते हैं तो हमारे पास न्यूज़ आ जाता है कि हमारे बच्चे इतने बड़े हैं, तो उसमें हमको बहुत खुशी मिलती है कि चलो हमारे बच्चे कम से कम कुछ सीख तो रहे हैं। जो सीख रहे हैं उन्हें सिखाने के लिए भरसक प्रयास करेंगे बच्चों। तो मेरा सभी से कहूँ कि मेरे वाट्स लोग, यानी मेरे सुपुत्र सुपुत्री लोग, सबों को मैं भगवान से, अल्लाह से, खुदा से से प्रार्थना करता हूँ कि जो मैं बच्चे मेरे इस चैनल को देख रहे हैं, चाहे पढ़ रहे हैं, समझ रहे हैं, उनको और दिमाग में वृद्धि हो और वो बढ़िया से समझ लें, ताकि एग्जामिनेशन में किसी प्रकार का कोई दिक्कत ना हो, और बढ़िया से उन्हें है ना सी और ही कैन गेट ए गुड मार्क्स इन एग्जामिनेशन, एंड ही और सी कैन बी ऑल्सो वेरी हैप्पी इन हिज और हर लाइफ। So it is my base, it is my bless for all of the students, for all of the participants, for all the candidates who are going to also appear in the board examination. So the quick solution in the board examination, in this way you can solve any of the, because you can put the formula in easy way, and after keeping the formula, how I can solve, so in this process, in this way you can solve in easy way, and you can also get the answer. So this is my point of view to also give this solution, and tomorrow in the class I will give you chemistry solution, yani reaction, how we can complete the reaction and how we can balance the reaction equation. So this process I can give you, and you can also complete the any type of the equation, and you can balance the equation. So in the next class, and you will also watch very carefully my class, then I will definitely solve your problem. It is my point of view to also give more and more knowledge among all of you. बच्चों अभी आप लोग के दिमाग में बहुत सारी बातें अट रहे होंगे, अभी दिमाग में अटोगे कैसे होगा, क्या होगा, कहाँ से लिखेंगे, कैसे याद नहीं हो रहा है, याद नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, ऐसे ऐसे बहुत से क्वेश्चन आप लोग के आ रहे होंगे। लेकिन बच्चों आप चिंता मत करें, हम आप लोग के साथ हैं, क्योंकि सब विषय में हर सब्जेक्ट में आपको हिंदी में कैसे करेंगे, सोशल स्टडी में कैसे करेंगे, आप इंग्लिश में कैसे करेंगे, ये प्रोसेस मैं आपको हर सब्जेक्ट में बताऊंगा एक एक करके, ताकि जो आपको कोई दिक्कत ना हो, चैलेंज करनी है तो। लेकिन हाँ फिर भी आप लोग को बहुत चिंता, अभी खाना पीना छोड़ करके अभी सब बच्चे हमारे जो है लगे हुए हैं, कितनी जो छोटी उम्र में जो है बच्चों को इतना बोझ आ गया है, तो ये सब देख करके हमको बहुत दुख लगता है। लेकिन अब ये क्या करें, क्योंकि बच्चों को जाना भी है, ध्यान भी देना है और उन्हें करना भी है। लेकिन हाँ उसकी के लिए उसी, क्योंकि हमसे रहा नहीं गया, इसीलिए हम आप लोग के सामने आए हैं और हम आप लोग को भरसक प्रयास करेंगे कि कुछ हद तक, मैं तो नहीं कह सकता हूँ, मैं तो कोई विद्वान नहीं हूँ, लेकिन कुछ हद तक मैं अपनी बात को आप लोग के पास जो है शोषण करूँगा, ताकि आप लोग अच्छे से पास करें, अच्छे से आप रिजल्ट आए। यही हमारी कामना है, भगवान से ही मेरी प्रार्थना है, सरस्वती माँ से मेरी प्रार्थना होगी कि हमारे बच्चे जो बात कर रहे हैं उन्हें बढ़िया से बढ़िया नंबर प्राप्त कर लें और बढ़िया से पा करके वो पास हो जाए।